Yo, I'm Nez, and I'm dropping another impromptu review on y'all. And I'm excited about this one because this one just came in, and my wife grabbed this bad boy from me and totally caught me by surprise. Had no idea that she was doing it, but I'm happy that she did. So without further ado, let's get into this. But before I get into it, I just want to give the caveat that, like in many of my other videos, I am home quarantining. My kids are in the background. Kids will be kids. Today was their first day of school, so they're a little rowdy, and all that stuff. They're loud and blah, blah, blah. So occasionally you're going to hear them in the background. Just try to ignore them and focus on me as much as you can. So now that I put that out there, let's get into this. So without further ado, we're going to be doing a review on big box item here. Bam. A totally destroyed box that was delivered by FedEx today. However, hopefully all the contents are here in the box. But what it's supposed to be is jeez. My loud daughter screaming. That's what it's supposed to be, right? It's the wow. Okay. The GT Racing gaming chair. Basically, I don't know any other way to explain to you. It's a gaming chair made by GT Racing. It has Bluetooth speakers, adjustable, and all that type of stuff. So why don't we get into it? But before we get into this, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so that way you can be notified when I put out videos such as this. And if you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up and then hit that share button so that way you can let everybody else know about my content. You really be helping me and the channel out immensely. So now that we got all that out the way, let's get into this. I feel like I don't need much to open up the box because I feel like the box was already open. FedEx did a horrible job of delivering this. So I don't know if it was FedEx or if it was Amazon. I'm not exactly sure, but right off the bat, the box packaging. Look at that. I don't even know. We're gonna find out though once I get in this bad boy. And I don't know if the box isn't sealed all that great. Once I get it open, I'm gonna have to spray down the contents a little bit. We are still in the middle of Corona season. COVID season, however you want to call it. I already sprayed down the exterior of the box. So, looks like might not be too bad. So far, that's what we're looking like in the box. Let me get some spray real quick. Okay, that's obviously the base right there. Everything wrapped in bubble inside the box. This is your typical base. Looks pretty cool. This is one of the cushions. Here goes all your little parts, and it had a little string on there. You know how they attach the string, saying string is attached to your hardware. But the way this box is delivered, I'm lucky this even remained in the box. So this is our hardware. Some more stuff to attach it somehow. Okay. Got some frequently asked questions here. You can pause that, read it for yourself. Here goes the instructions, assembly instructions. Ordinarily, I'm such a habit for me tossing these bad boys. But ordinarily, like I said, I would toss this, but I'm gonna have to read this because I don't want to assemble this wrong and then sit on it and it freaking collapses on me. So I'm just gonna keep this to the side here. This is the back right here. Got the GT Racing logo on the top. Here's the back of it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's pretty heavy, I should say, too. It's pretty substantial, just so you know. some more stuff over here. Okay, this is the big boy stuff. This is the hydraulics of it, and this is really heavy. So I'm glad that this is heavy, because that leads me to believe that this is gonna last. Because my last chair that I had, this part right here wasn't that heavy, so that's why I don't have it anymore. Got our wheels in there. Whatever this stuff. Oh, okay. This is the adjustment lever, so you can raise the seat up and down. All that stuff. That's what this stuff is. The hardware for that. And this is one of the arms. Don't know what that is. This is the base that the seat sits on. I think that other thing that I showed you might have been to adjust the back, so you can recline the back. I think this is the what attaches to the seat, so that we can raise it up and down. Yeah, and I feel a little coil there too. So yeah, this is definitely. This is another seat cushion. Here's the other arm. And here goes the actual seat itself that you sit on. Top of it, the bottom of it. It says right there, made in China. You know, why would I think anything different? So now that you've seen everything in the box, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this bad boy together, and then I'm going to come back in and let you see what we're working with. So let me put all this stuff back into the box, so that way I can kind of transport it downstairs and put together. I don't know. Let's see what I'm going to do. Oh, those are all my parts. Oh, can't forget about this. Those are all my parts. And through the magic of video editing, I'm going to make all of this stuff turn into this. This is dope, ain't it? Look at how it came out. Yes, I'm really feeling this chair. This is a definite upgrade for what I had before. Look at this. This bad boy is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. From the top down to the bottom. Look at this bad boy. It's got the Bluetooth in it. Let me give you a little turnaround. Look at that. This bad boy is nice. And it's even set up to where the way they have it set up is that the pillow, the lumbar pillow, can be adjusted up or down to, you know, exactly where your lumbar is. I have it set to where mine is right now. Let me switch the camera view here, so that way you can see what it looks like with me sitting in it, and then maybe I'll hook the Bluetooth up to it and play a song. Okay, we back in. I'm sitting in a chair. This is how she looks. Okay, I'm gonna lay back. I got the neck pillow perfectly at my neckline, and I got the lumbar pillow. Actually, it's a little too high, so let me let you see me adjust it down a little bit. But I had it perfectly. Okay, now that bad boy is perfect. Yeah, so literally, and the good thing about it, right here, you can see the armrest adjust up and down to your liking. And the thing that I like the most, this, I'm about to show this, the seat raises up and down. Whoop, see, I just dropped down and I just raise the seat back up. And then what I like is, and oh yeah, the armrest also like fans in and out too, depending on what's comfortable to you. And also this bad boy, it does the thing that I like the most. I'm trying to get the right camera angle. There's a little handle down here. I don't know how well you can see it. Let me try to get you a better angle. There's a hand, it's literally like right there. It's kind of like being blocked by this thing here. It's like right here. It's almost like where your gear shifter would be sitting in your car. And you pull that bad boy, and you can literally recline this bad boy all the way back. All the way back. Just like that. Look, this is how I look laying back in this chair. Look at this. Look at this. You can literally like take a leg nap. This is like whoa! Wow. Wow, I didn't realize this bad boy really reclines back for you. That's crazy. It caught me off guard. I thought I was gonna fall, but that's how it is. Like my legs are literally swinging. This is crazy. The center of gravity on this bad boy is like amazing. Like I really feel like I might tip back, but I'm not. I'm like stable. This is nuts. I'm like, you could literally like just like conk out, like for real. Like I was nervous. I know that looked like I lost control a little bit, you know. But I assure you that this chair, I believe this chair holds up to 330 pounds. So this is more than capable of holding me. Yeah, let me give one last look around and we end this video. Catch you on the flip. Okay. Here you go. Flip around. In the back, it has a little pocket back here where it holds the Bluetooth receiver, and it has the aux cord, so you can literally like plug this up into the speaker here, and that's how it has Bluetooth through this little pack here. So technically, you could use this Bluetooth receiver for anything, not just for this. And I probably will use that for something else. I don't even know. But as of right now, it hooks up to these speakers. We're going to listen to those in a second. Flip it around. That's the lever I was telling you about. That's like your little emergency brake, not gear shifter. I don't know why I said gear shifter, but the e-brake, like your emergency brake. You pull it up and the chair reclines back. Here goes your little up and down thing right here. Bong. Just flip that little lid button there to adjust it up and down to your liking. Yeah, so this bad boy is dope. So now I already have my my Bluetooth paired, and when you search for Bluetooth, when you turn it on, it automatically puts it in pairing mode. Let me let you look at the receiver real quick. So when you turn it on, it automatically goes into pairing mode, and then if you have it plugged up to the speaker, it'll tell you Bluetooth in pairing mode, and then once you connect, it'll say it's connected, and then you can go ahead and play. And when you put it in pairing mode, it says GT Racing, just like the logo there. So let's play some music and see what she sounds like. These are the speakers that are coming out the back of the chair. I don't know what just happened there. That was weird that it would do that, but you get the gist. You understand what it sounds like. It sounds pretty good. I mean, it's not the best speaker, but it's certainly not the worst speaker. So, would I use it for gaming? Probably not. I probably wouldn't use this speaker for gaming. Maybe if I'm just casually gaming, I may just use it just because I have the capability of using it. But like once I start doing live streaming, you know, everything's gonna be in your ear because you know, you gotta be able to hear everything. If you have this, you know, blaring out loud, you're not gonna be, you know, able to hear, you know, when people are asking you stuff and the game at the same time. So, you know, just when I'm casual gaming, I'll probably do it just for this. I'm not even sure if it's even surround sound. It's just music coming out of speakers. So, you know, the chair I had before didn't have that. So I believe this chair is like $150, and I think it is worth it. My personal opinion. I will look to see if I see something similar for a better price, but I think for what you get here and the weight capacity and just the look and the build of it, I think it's worth the price. So you guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know if you have a gaming chair, what kind of chair you have, what you paid for it, what features it has, if any. And maybe you can even drop me the link so I can check it out. So, but definitely, I recommend this. The links for this one will be down in the description. Hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. I'm Nez. This has been the official review of the GT Racing Gaming Chair. Definitely cop that. I recommend it. And I'm out this piece.